probably big as fuck on that shit though. Let's get a little closer. I ain't never scared, man. Is this thing still alive? Hmm?
She look crazy on the camera.
Alright. See how when I tap that shit get closer?
It get clearer.
Or the more that shit look ugly. Oh my god. It's ugly, nigga. You go around this way. Call me crocodile greedy, nigga. What you talking about? We don't get the shot. We don't get the money shot. Bitch, you ugly. But you amazing.
That shit look crazy.
That's a real alien. That's a real fucking alien right there, G. That shit big as fuck.